Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Epic Games Launcher on your MacBook. So first of all, go over to a browser of your choice. As you can see, I am on Chrome right here, and all we simply need to do is search for Fortnite. And then once we search for Fortnite, we can now click on the download button. Once you click on download, you'll be brought to this page right here where you can click on Epic Games Launcher for PC. This also applies to Mac, so what you need to do is click on this, which will then initiate the download to start. And then once this has gone ahead and installed, what we can do is we can obviously click on cancel because I've already got it downloaded. And then what we can now do is we can now search for Epic Games. As you can see, the Epic Games Launcher is now listed right here. So if we click on this to open it, you'll be brought to this where you can then see it is now downloading a new update. Once the update has now downloaded, that will mean that the Epic Games Store will then be available to use as normal. So that's how easy it is to download the Epic Games Launcher on your Mac.